Hi, it's Luan from Google Tech, and today I gonna review this Google Pixel 6. I just got it. I may need to use this to do some of my photo and video. I will do some review later, but just let's open the box. Here you have the tab to open it, and this side is a Pixel 6. It's not the Pro version. There you go. This one is the, let me show you this side first. The 5G Pixel 6 128 gig Stormy Black. Okay, the color. Okay, why look very easy for you to take it up like this one. And there you go. Should read this one. Okay, this is to protect the screen, as you can see. And in the back, the whole camera will like pop up a little bit like this. So I don't know, I guess with this one you need to use a special case, because otherwise when you put it on any surface like this, you're gonna have the problem here. So you may need to buy the case from Google, or 3D printed something cool for yourself. Okay, so let's put it aside. Let's see what else do we have in the box here. Yeah, you will have the USB-C cable, normal. Then you have the USB to USB-C connector. Let's check on this one. You have a tiny booklet. I guess like this they are trying to minimize every paper print, so you will have this in some language. Manual, what it kind of cute manual if you look at it. So that, and the just the tool to get the SIM out. So let's put it aside. I see if I can get the battery enough for it to turn on and start to beat the review. But the look is good. Let's start this one. Okay, I don't know, I keep the power button. Okay, tidy up this thing around here. Okay, we have the Google ready. So it have enough battery to work with this one. Okay, so you see like you could see a little pausing screen over here. Okay, let's get started. You could feel every time it's such a good effect. Every time it hit the light over here, you could feel like a little bit physical weight and shaking. Okay, start. I don't have the SIM card, so I'll just skip it. Okay, let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's getting your phone ready. Oh, it takes some time. So let's wait for a while. Normally I don't like it to have it like this, it doesn't feel flat with me, so I don't know, maybe your case have to be up to here just to make up for the space, but we see how is the camera gonna be soon. I back with you when okay, just say don't copy because I don't want to see what is it. Okay. Okay, let me skip this one. Skip. Okay. Okay, just skip it for now. Okay. There's the review of app, but I don't know, just started, so we can install and uninstall those apps later. You see that the battery kind of enough for us to start on the start, which is good because I don't need to charge them. Swipe to navigate. Okay, this one I already know, so I have to go to phone. Okay, so this is home. Wow, they have the very nice wallpaper here. Let me check on the icon big. Let me see what version of the Android here of our phone. So this is Pixel 8. This is they use the Android version 12, and all the information of the thing, but yeah, this use the Android version number 12. Okay, so it's good. What else we wanna see? Let's go to camera taking, for example. No, don't allow. Okay, I just take a photo of this on the cable on the black surface. Here, okay. What else we can do? Okay, we can just put this Google next to it, so we have a better review. Okay, we can listen to the sound also. Okay, let me test a little bit. For example, I can make a video and then we can listen to it, see how it's there. Okay. This is testing of the video recorder of Google Pixel 6. It's from Google Tech, the test. This is a closer look to the notebook and the cable. Okay. Now let's see it again. Yeah. I'm gonna upload that video for you to see, but you can hear it from the big speaker here. The video recorder of Google Pixel 6 is from Google Tech, the test. This is a closer look to the notebook and the cable. The volume seems fine to me. How about we go test something with the YouTube to see how the video look on it better. Let's say okay, video. Oh, this one is good. Oopsie. You can actually zoom it up to like this. It's a live video, okay. So let's go with something else. Okay, this one I like. You can tap on it to get it bigger like this. It zoom. Now you see the video around the camera. The difference is now is this front camera is right in the middle, and not in the corner. In the corner, like here the Pixel 4 I have is in the corner. Okay, good. So that's all. What else should I talk about? Okay, this is the camera. I think it have a little bit paper thing on it. No, it doesn't. So you might need to remove it. I'm not sure it's this. I'll check it later. You have two camera on the back with the light. I will check on the camera to tell you later because it's new to me too. So let's say oh, they has more camera mode. Zoom setting. Okay, it's just nicer. Video, model, camera, portrait. Okay guys, so I think that's all for today of this video. I would need some time more to play around to understand this camera, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna mostly talk about how this camera works because I do some videos, so I wanna see this camera compared to the Canon M50 or the GoPro that I used to have, plus of course my Pixel 4a also. So if you're happy with the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and we see you next time. Thank you.